Look at the map of the Persian Gulf. Right in the center is a massive blue zone. This is the single largest source of natural gas on our planet. But in March 2026, the unthinkable happened. Precision strikes hit the Ras Laffan energy complex in Qatar. While the world watched the smoke, the true disaster wasn't the fire, it was the invisible shockwave that followed. This wasn't just an attack on a factory, it was an attack on the energy foundation of the modern world. At the heart of this complex are 14 massive machines called liquefaction trains. These are not ordinary machines. They are multi-billion-dollar engineering giants that turn gas into liquid by cooling it to extreme sub-zero temperatures. 2 of these giants have been destroyed. The nightmare? Replacing them can take up to 5 years. In one day, 20% of the world's liquefied energy vanished. Tankers that power the cities of Europe and Asia are now sitting empty, and we are facing a supply deficit that could last for years. The reaction was instant. Across the globe, gas prices have doubled in just weeks. But the pain isn't just about your heating bill. High energy prices act like a virus in the economy. Inflation is jumping, forcing central banks to stop cutting interest rates and start hiking them instead. Governments are seeing their borrowing costs explode. The world's plan for a safe energy transition, which relied heavily on this specific Gulf supply, is now in total chaos. But there is a deeper, hidden crisis. This gas field is the primary source of the chemicals needed to keep the world fed. It produces the ammonia required for global fertilizer. When these plants stop, the global food supply chain begins to break. And there is something even more specialized: helium. Qatar produces 1/3 of the world's helium. Without it, the MRI scanners in hospitals stop working, and the manufacturing of advanced computer chips hits a wall. The AI revolution and modern medicine both depend on a gas that is suddenly disappearing. The Ras Laffan disaster proves that our global systems have no plan B. We have placed all our vital resources in a few tiny, high-risk locations. Whether it is energy for our homes, food for our tables, or chips for our technology, it all flows through the same narrow gates. As the smoke clears, the reality is setting in. The era of cheap and safe energy is over. We are now living in a world where energy is no longer just a resource. It is the ultimate weapon of the 21st century.